guys, today we just received very sad news that Indiana Beach will be closing forever on next Tuesday. If you've never heard of Indiana Beach, basically it's this vintage little cute theme park operated by Apex. But what happened is they had financial issues, so they were looking for someone to buy out their park, but they couldn't find anyone, so now they're set for closure forever. The reason why this saddens me so much, mostly at least, is because they actually had some pretty nasty, awesome looking little coasters. I mean, they got this really good wood coaster named Lost Coaster. Actually, that's a bit of an overstatement, but they have Cornball Express, that looks like an airtime machine, and a bunch of other really cool, unique rides. They have Steel Hog, that looks really cool. I'm just really sad by this, and it looks like a great little vintage theme park, and I don't want to see another one of those go. Now, there is still hope, but it's very unlikely. Now, you do remember with Kentucky Kingdom, that place closed down, but then they reopened a few years later. And as of now, Indiana Beach is still looking for a buyer. They could find a buyer soon, but they could also not find a buyer anytime soon, or ever. Additionally, if you look on Apex's website, Indiana Beach isn't even on there. Like, it's just flat out not even on there, listed as one of their parks. If you want even more proof, Indiana Beach has publicly announced that they are selling a lot of their rides, including a few of their coasters. If this doesn't prove that they're closing, I don't know what to tell you. Well, that's about it. Be sure to tell me your thoughts about the sad news in the comment section down below. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you all in the next one. Bye!